Gold yesterday has created a bullish pin bar, a next one after the day before. The price has formed a bullish pin bar right here at the support level 2653.45. This means with this larger wick on the lower side, we can see that the price has tried to move down even further than the day before, but the price did not close below this support level. And we can see also the daily candle body, the price did not close below the very important support level here, 2653.45. We can see that the price also tried to move higher with a smaller wick on the upper side, but it could not make a bullish breakout above this price level. And also the levels I have mentioned 2 days ago and also yesterday, the very important ones is this one around 2672.30 on the daily time frame, and below that is the support level where the price could not close the days. These 2 days below that. This suggests further rise in value, this bullish pin bar, but very important is to wait until the price makes a bullish breakout above the small resistance level, which is visible here on the daily time frame, and then this will be a signal that the bulls have managed to push the price higher, managed to fight against the selling pressure and also the supply zone that has been created for several days around these levels here. Today is a Friday, which means also the day when the traders get out from their trades, lock their profit before, and that is mostly in the afternoon. So there is a possibility that the price also changes the direction wherever the price makes a breakout. If the price makes a bullish breakout above that, it could be also trigger a sell-off, returning back down to the support. But if the price makes a bearish breakout below that, the price could also return back up, testing the resistance. So this is a very important day to follow, especially in the afternoon. So we will see what happens. But these signals, after the bullish breakout has been formed on the daily candle, we can see that here for the several days the price is forming a bullish breakout with the small bodies with larger wicks on the lower side, suggesting further rise in value. So we'll see what happens on the lower time frame, 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame when the bullish or bearish breakout happens. But as it looks right now, the price is moving higher. We'll see what happens during the day. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.